Hello, hello, hello. Are you looking for inspiration to organize your space? Well, you come to the right place. I am at the Container Store, my favorite place to be. And let me tell you, they have selections over selections. You can find anything you want here, and it's a one stop shopping location where it doesn't matter what room you're trying to organize, the selections are endless. I can spend my whole day here shopping for organizing projects. This is where I come to get inspiration, find color schemes. I mean, you name it, whatever it is that you are, whatever room that you are trying to organize, this is the place to be. Of course, there is other options, and I'm not trying to endorse this store. I'm just showing you here that this is my favorite store. This is where I know I can find everything I need in here. So, if you are interested in organizing a space in your home and you need some ideas on how to do so, I will be happy to help assist you in making those decisions. Visit my website at savvyzenorganizer.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram at savvyzen123. Take care now. See you soon.